Alright, well, here's another new song. This song's about big, monolithic ships coming out of the sky. Have you ever seen a picture of the Black Knight satellite? Kind of like that. Is it a rock? Is it a ship? I don't know. But it opens up and it drops some nice, sprinkly, fun stuff on everybody. And you're taking a look, like, that's pretty neat. And all of a sudden, your skin's crawling. Your eyes are dilating. You're seeing funny things. That shit is sprinkling some space spores on you. And everyone is tripping balls. This will force the new change upon everyone. We're bringing the new era of the simulation. Because we figured it out, right? It's all simulation. Duh. Okay. This one's called Sporecraft 0.